What's up with YPN? We are the Young Professionals Network. However, don't get stuck on the word young. Contrary to popular belief, all members of any age are welcome to attend our events. If you're looking for a group to network, learn, and give back with, YPN is a great choice.
Members of any age are welcome to join the YPN committee as well.
We host a series of education events. Our popular hands-on tech workshop will be taking place on August 1st at the Alameda Member Center. Our next networking event will take place on July 25th in Pleasanton. Last but not least, our highly anticipated poker tournament benefiting the Bay East Foundation Scholarship Fund will be taking place at the beginning of October.
If you'd like to learn more about these events and YPN, please go to the Bay East website calendar, which will also be linked below. And if you'd like to come to our next board meeting, please email Jessica Arnold at jessica.a@bayeast.org.